Bossklein ULTRAbio is an ultrasonic cleaning solution that has been designed for use within the ultrasonic bath. It helps to break down and remove contamination from the surface without degrading the material of medical instruments. The uniform cleaning action of ultrasonic waves ensure that the entire surface is cleaned consistently. Effective sterilization can only ever be achieved with clean, contamination-free medical devices. It is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions, local guidelines and statutory requirements that may be in place for the reprocessing of instruments. Please wear personal protective equipment. The integrated dosing device within the cap of the exclusive 2.5-litre Bossklein bottle should be utilized to provide accurate dosing. An economical dilution ratio of just 3%, that's 30 ml of ULTRAbio solution per 1 litre of water, ensures decontamination is achieved in a cost-effective and eco-friendly manner for the end user. Failure to properly clean used medical instruments can result in the transmission of infections to patients and staff, which can have serious consequences. Ultrasonic cleaning can help clean difficult-to-reach areas and remove contaminants that traditional cleaning methods cannot. Used instruments should be fully opened before being placed carefully inside the ultrasonic bath and immersed in the ULTRAbio solution. Careful attention should be paid to ensure air can escape from hollow objects. Be careful not to overcrowd the ultrasonic bath with too many instruments. Ensure instruments are fully submerged but not touching each other, as this may inhibit cleaning performance. Set the appropriate cleaning time. The ultrasonic cleaning program should then be run according to the manufacturer's instructions. Clean instruments should then follow the appropriate sterilization procedure, which may include autoclaving, chemical sterilization, or other approved methods.